have no idea. I think this is the head. This is... it's huge. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see. It's really big. It's really big. You know what? I will film a time lapse and see you later. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea. Okay. How do I take this out without messing up everything? This. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. What is the back? What is the front? Okay, so I have to place this green thing, but there's no hole. Doesn't really make sense. Okay, so I did print some few stuff, samples I would say. I started with this, so we have this, which is not too bad. I kind of like it. There's maybe some details that are not perfect, but I could sand it. The base is clean. Well, it's the base. So okay, so this is the first piece I've done, or not. This one might be the first one actually. You see here, you can see like the apps. I'm just gonna pick this, but yeah, you can see. Then I tried something like this. It wasn't great, to be honest. Like the finishing is really bad. I think the most difficult for me it's the design, the 3D design, because it's characters, so it's not like just like a block. I broke also many designs. See here, the feet got broken. But yeah, the guy is cool. Like the guy, like if you don't see the feet, it's pretty cool. Like I kind of like it. But yeah, when I did the same but bigger. And here the feet are gone. Like you see, like it's really bad. The feet are gone. The finishing is just the worst you can imagine. That's the worst you can imagine. And then you have this that looks like a Inca head. It's meant to be a Japanese girl, but whatever. This, which is not too bad. Here you see it's easier because it's geometric forms. It's not like curves and stuff. And the back is not bad at all. But let me show you maybe the other. I had one that was really bad. Like this one broke into pieces, and you see it's just bad. But it is what it is. Let's change a bit the view. Now the idea is I want to get this done in 3D so it will be cleaner. For the time being it looks like just a graffiti that was done by one of my friends. I like the idea, but I don't think the execution is good. So, and I'm thinking maybe doing the logo of my agency. Maybe trying to use light somewhere, maybe not for the first one. I want to first see how I can get somewhere with just the basics. So after I can check for the rest. So yeah, like I will try. See you later, alligator.